precious time. I have a list here. Ball.
The suspects, through their lawyers, had moved to the High Court to challenge their detention, saying the magistrate court erred in law when it issued orders detaining them for 14 days. They argue that the ruling was misdirected, considering that investigations into alleged tax evasion commenced 4 months ago. They had taken issues with the trial court, claiming they were innocent until proven guilty and that their constitutional rights were being violated with their continued detention. The suspects are expected to be charged with aiding tax evasion and money laundering. Elsewhere, 3 more suspects, among them a woman, were earlier today arraigned before a Murang'a court over the gruesome murder of a prison warder, Pauline Wanjiru. The 3, Joseph Otieno Ochieng, Rogers Namukolo, and Mary Amolo, will be detained for 14 days to allow police conclude investigations, with their case set to be mentioned on May 31st this year. The court, however, released Peterson Njiro, the alleged boyfriend to the deceased, with an order to appear before the Directorate of Criminal Investigation offices in Murang'a town when required. And a chief executive officer of a non-governmental organization and a former Nairobi deputy governor nominee embroiled in a 1 billion shillings land row says she is ready to release the said land's title, provided she is paid 23 million shillings she claims is owed to her. 2,221 slum dwellers through the Mukuru Makaobora Trust claim to have purchased the land 12 years ago. Jane Wero of Muungano wa Wanavijiji Akiba Mashinani Trust told the court that she is holding the title in trust, but the slum dwellers claim she was paid the money by Bill and Melissa Gates Foundation. And the case in which city lawyer Asaki Bagende Nyakundi is charged with manslaughter over the shooting of his son took a new twist after the state filed an application to have Magistrate Teresia Nyongena recuse herself from hearing the case. Prosecution counsel Catherine Mwaneki filed an application in court claiming they had intelligence information indicating prior contact to influence the court on the matter. The prosecution cited various instances it says clearly demonstrated that the court was taking sides on the matter. And finally, a man was jailed for 5 years or a fine of 400,000 shillings for copyright infringement. Peter Imbati Siaba was handed the sentence by Chief Magistrate Helen Okwani for distributing decoder streaming content that infringes on DSTV rights. Siaba is among 3 suspects that were arrested in Garissa for distributing DSTV signals illegally.